going to really get to know one another and go deep and build effective trust. We want to go deeper today and create a...
Managing groups and teams is an interactive week-long class where you get to know your teammates a lot more and learn a lot about what it's like to work well in a team.
Takes part in the week between orientation and our Fall 1 schedule beginning.
We work within our cohort, our small group, and our large groups, learning and analyzing team structures, power dynamics, leadership styles and managerial styles.
It's an opportunity to not only get to know your classmates, but also learn what does it mean to be a leader, what does it mean to work in a group, and how can we in many ways amplify each other or elevate each other's voices.
They are put into situations during the exercises to face challenges, right? So they might feel uncomfortable at times or feel very pressured to perform in these teams.
How to manage that conflict is such an important skill in management. And so I think this is something that they want us to start practicing.
There needs to be a time for uncomfortable conversations. I'm learning this week to try to really embrace that and work on that.
So at the beginning of the week, the loud voices were definitely dominant, and now I think we've really learned how to work together, how to make sure that every voice is heard and every decision that's made. And that's something that I'm not sure we would have come to naturally if we just jumped straight into the basics of accounting, for example.
This week has been incredible.
Today is all about coordination and how you can work in a group to be more efficient and effective.